Hi, my name is Catherine Thomas, and I am the CEO and owner of Barley Brewing. I'm excited to announce to you that our location is soon going to open up in downtown Clemson off of College Avenue, where the old Astro Theater used to be. First, I'd like to go over a few of the basics to apply for a job here. First of all, you must be at least 21 years old to apply since you're going to be working with alcohol. Pay is going to start at $9.25 an hour before any tips. I'll go over the tipping process in just a minute when I explain different job roles. We also are proud to offer flexible scheduling. We are going to be open 4 to 10 p.m. Monday through Thursday, which would allow you plenty of time to go to your classes in the morning and then work here in the afternoon. We are going to be open from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday. We'll open from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. on Saturday. And then finally on Sunday, we'll be open from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. We are mainly hoping to have college students who are obviously 21 apply to this job, as well as graduate students and any young adults who might still be in the area. We are also willing to work with you if you have another full-time job, but you would just like to work with us on the weekends or evenings. We're definitely willing to help you out and be flexible with your schedule. Now I'm going to go into a little bit detail about the different job roles we're going to offer. So at this brewery, everyone is going to get a RFID wristband in which they will get from the check-in cashier when they first walk in the door. The check-in cashier will be responsible for checking IDs and opening up tabs with a credit or debit card. Once you get your wristband and check in with the cashier, then you're going to be able to pour beer at your own rate by scanning your wristband. This is going to keep track of how much beer you have dispensed. Another option for a role is a floater type role. You'll be walking around throughout the indoor and outdoor portions of the restaurant and interacting with guests, making sure they have everything they need, and also being available to answer any questions they might have about different types of beer. You also can apply to be a busboy or bus girl. Everyone will bring their glasses back to a certain location, and then you will be responsible for wiping down and cleaning those glasses. You'll also go throughout the indoor and outdoor seating areas to make sure no trash is left behind and the tables are wiped down. Finally, your last role you have is going to be a checkout cashier. Everyone at the end will turn their wristbands in. We'll have two options. You can have a fast checkout where you'll automatically have a 20% tip added to your bill. Or if someone would like to tip a custom amount, then they can check out in line with you. For all the people that do the automatic one, you will use your downtime to close out their tabs. Now for the fun part of tips. So everyone that's working on a shift will get to split the tips at the end of the shift, since no one is technically bartending for just one single person. A little bit more of the fun part is you're going to have an opportunity to learn more about beer yourself and educate customers. You're also going to have the opportunity to interact with customers and their dogs. And there's also going to be opportunities in the future to advance and move up within the company. I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation and that you will consider applying for a job at Barley Brewing, where it's going to be a fun place to work.